Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable in-app messages of feedback and surveys on BandLab. So let's get started. Firstly, open BandLab app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next tap on settings. After that, tap on notifications. Next tap on BandLab updates. Then scroll until you find feedback and surveys. Below it you can see the option of in-app messages. Turn on it by tapping on it. So this is how you can enable in-app messages on BandLab. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.